अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप लोग सब खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक से होंगे। एंड वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नैब्जी हुसैनी में आप लोग सबका तहे दिल से स्वागत है। Complementary colors. Colors which are the opposite on the color wheel are called complementary colors. These are the colors that neutralize unwanted tones or cancel other colors by mixing them together. In makeup, the use of complementary colors will help you to correct and conceal unwanted skin tones. On the other hand, they can also make the opposite color stand out. Orange eyeshadow will suit blue eyes. For example, this color theory also applies by wearing a mossy green color eyeshadow and a bright red lipstick. The result, it will look beautiful shown in this picture. So I'll share one more picture for y'all so it will be easier to understand. So look at this picture, green color eyeshadow and a violet lipstick, opposite color. Isn't it amazing? So complementary colors are very important for any makeup artist. It can also used to create bold and dramatic look. Color correcting. Color correction is a method of using skin complementing colors to help you get rid of skin discoloration. To understand it more precisely, take a look to this. This theory is widely used for color correcting on the face and under eye concealing. Purple lavender corrector reduces the look of yellow undertones, helps to create more radiant looking complexion. Now green color corrector, it hits the redness on your skin and is very commonly used for acne. Neutralizes all over redness. Now orange and red corrector reduces the dark spots, dark under eye circles on the darker skin tones, and orange balance out the blue tones well. So red corrector one who have extreme dark circles and pigmentation, using color correcting in the under eye area with a proper method and color, it will bring on a nice radiant and lifting effect on the makeup look. Analogous color. Analogous color are a series of three colors located right next to each other on the color wheel. Guys, check out the beautiful pictures. Okay, analogous makeup. Now next, monochromatic color. These schemes are made up of different tones, shades and tints one wear. For example, monochromatic red series would include the lightest tint of pink to the darkest shade of maroon. One more example, blue color ranging from the lightest sky blue to the darkest navy blue to a medium shade of ocean blue, seen in this image. Monochromatic makeup involves applying the same color and oftentimes the same product to multiple areas of the face so that the lips, cheeks and eyes match. So I'll end up my video here. Hope you like my video. I really don't know that how much I was good in explaining. I have given my 100% and tried my level best. So do comment me how you liked my video and please do subscribe guys. I got such a beautiful information for y'all. So subscribe banta hai and like and share and comment. And Jazakaallah khair for watching my video and Allah Hafiz.